Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable LED timeout on ROCCAT Kone XP Air. To do it, go to Advanced Settings, then find LED timeout, and now you can set the sleep effect to none, so it will just not timeout, off, so it will disable the lights, or you can set it so it will change to any of those light effects after a certain period. So for example, when I set it to off and to 5, then the LEDs will go off after 5 minutes. That's all of inactivity. Remember to apply the settings afterwards. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.